Good morning, everyone. This is Nolan with Kooima Ag. Today I want to talk to you about a service bulletin that we've seen pop up here in the last few months. If you have an 8000 or 9000 series Deere, it doesn't matter if you have a single roll or a dual roll adapter, we're seeing some excessive pressure on this shaft. And what we're finding is, after the second or third year of running them, these shafts, the male and the female tube of the shaft is dry and causing them not to slide very easily. So when you pull your adapter out of the shop and grind this fall, when you grease the ends, of course, make sure you throw some grease in that shaft. Make sure it freely slides. You don't have to grease this very often while you're grinding, but make sure it's got grease or oil. Some service techs use oil. They say grease collects too much dust. Just make sure it slides really freely, all the way in and all the way out, because when you pick the headers up off the ground and stuff, we're seeing that the shaft doesn't bottom out. It's too much stuff and gummy in there. It'll compress tightly, causing pressure on this shaft. We've also seen on the cutter side putting pressures on that shaft. So keep these male and female tubes, basically the male, lubed really well so that you don't have to call us for parts or a new gearbox for your K8000 or K9000 adapters. Just making you aware, this is Nolan with Kooima Ag.